Welcome. Recalibrate your vibration with powerful principles of truth. Repeat until the words saturate you with conviction. Can be used morning, throughout the day, and before sleep. Let's begin. I am a new creation. God, the one creating principle, unbound by any precedent, is the renewing action of my total being. Spirit, quickening my consciousness, is forever lifting my vision to higher levels of perception and understanding. Mind, moving in my world of thought, constantly presents greater ideas to replace those no longer appropriate. Life, as fresh as this moment, flows through my body. Revitalization is a perpetual process. Renewal is a continuing activity. I cooperate with the action of God in and through me. I am completely willing to release all I have outgrown. The past has no fascination for me. I let it go. I am a now person in a now action. I glory in the higher, wider vision of unlimited potential. A fuller sense of unity, harmony, and beauty greets my expanding awareness. I embrace heretofore unseen creative ideas, and intriguing, rewarding experiences unfold. That which is becoming is greater, richer, and more fulfilling than anything I have known. I delight in God, the ever-new action of my total being now. And so it is. I cooperate with life. I know that infinite spirit is expressing through me. Ideas of good are available to me, and I now cooperate with life by allowing the inflow of spirit to guide and direct me into the fulfillment of these ideas. I do not hinder or delay my good with negative thoughts. Past conditions do not influence my emotions and attitudes. I am open and receptive to that which is vital and new. I cooperate with the healing power of spirit as it fills my consciousness and makes me aware of the divine presence. Immediately, this presence presents the solutions and supplies the answers for all my needs. God finds no resistance in me because I know I am one with all good. My cooperation causes the perfect unfoldment of spiritual development to take place in my consciousness. My affairs reflect my understanding of cooperation as I move with ease through the activities of this day. Great good unfolds in every area of my experience because I cooperate with the action of life. So it is.